All right, welcome everyone to the Raja Banks Casino time. There's no casino today because we got ADP coming up in about 30 minutes. So let's take a look at this. Just gotta do some settings here for YouTube, and then we gotta check out the audio for YouTube. Seems like should be all okay. Should be all good in the hood. All right, let's open this. The audio for you. Just gotta do some settings here for. All right, perfect. So audio is good. Audio is great. I saw your podcast. Thank you, guys. To be honest, this guy changed my life, and I used to trade using indicators, and then you realize that trading indicators. I don't think that's the right way to go, right? So let's see here. Let's start off with pound yen. So basically, pound yen, we broke below 182.550. So I think if we do create some sort of a rejection, or maybe if we close back above 182.600, I think there's a very good probability we can continue pushing up, just like 41 pips at this point. But yeah, so I guess I'm just going to be waiting here. Also, I mentioned yesterday that the only thing I'm going to be trading this month is going to be gold. But just by looking at pound yen, it does look like if this 30-minute candle close is bullish, we can continue pushing up. But we're going to focus on gold over here now. But gold is just consolidating, maybe because there's ADP coming up. So that's why. Are you going to walk out of this losing trades like how you tried to walk out of the podcast? No. Most holiest place on earth money-wise. Thank you. Are you in your new office? Yes. Raja Bhaiya, looking so smart. Thank you. Very normal to look smart, to be honest. Right. See here. Oh, the website is up. Russian Federation. Live stream is running. All right, so we gotta focus now. Has Dominion Market uploaded C Trader yet? No. C Trader is probably going to be up maybe by the middle of this month or by the end of this month. Yeah, I'm only going to be trading gold, but right now, I mean, gold is just consolidating. There's no volume. You got ADP coming up, so I think it's going to be a good idea to kind of lay back on gold and just relax. Because if you can look at the way candles are printing now, we're just printing side by side, to be honest. So I'm going to put my yellow lines right here, 1953. Another yellow line goes right over here, 1946. You need the neon lights from the back in the days in the background. Yes. You are a true mentor for many traders. Trust me, keep helping people like that. Thank you. What's your plan on today on gold? No idea. I have no idea what's my plan on gold. I'm just going to wait. Probably there's going to be some opportunity with ADP, I think. Yeah, so I think with ADP we might get some sort of an opportunity, but right now there's nothing. So this is probably going to be our no trade zone. No trade zone. No trade zone. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hello? Yeah, no, it wasn't the liquidity provider, it wasn't the markets, it was the real estate call. You know, these real estate people, they're like cockroaches, man. They come out of everywhere. Here to prove he doesn't lose his trade on live stream, Top G, exactly. You don't lose if you don't take a trade, right? And also you don't lose if you don't close, so it goes hand in hand. Raja Saab, ki haal hai? Theek thaak. What's your app, your plan on AUD CHF? I don't trade AUD CHF, brother. Background music is a bit too loud. Probably turn down your speakers, buddy. The background music is at the same volume as it has been for the past 5 years, 6 years. Are you live from your office? No, this is a recording you're watching right now. Did you see the numbers for ADP? They're not out, so I haven't seen them yet. But they're looking at a worse outcome, to be honest. Let's take a look over here. So if you look at this right here, right, they're looking at a bad outcome right here. They're looking at 191,000 out of 497,000. So I don't know what's going to happen. I mean, maybe the number is going to be low, but if it's going to be lower than 191,000, then there's a high probability there's going to be a big move on gold. But if the numbers are between 191 and 497, then I don't think it's going to be that massive of a move, because it has to be like, pretty bad. Yeah. Why you not frequent stream nowadays? I don't know. I'm very busy. So that's why. I try to do the streams when I can, but yeah. Have you seen a new Barbie movie yet? No. I don't give two shits about the Barbie movie. Barbie. You guys should see the memes the Japanese have made about that movie Oppenheimer, right? Because that movie Oppenheimer is basically made about a person who helped Americans get the atomic bomb, and then they blasted Japan with it. So now when the Japanese are making these hilarious memes. There's a meme where Bin Laden is holding Barbie on his shoulder, and it says Ladenheimer or something like that. I mean, they made some pretty crazy memes. Are you in Capital Hungary? No. When your boot camp started, the boot camp is going to start on Friday. We have, I don't know, tomorrow is going to be the last day for the boot camp to register. After that, it's closed. It's already almost sold out. Maybe we have like maybe 2 or 3 spots left, but it's mostly done. It's mostly sold out. Smart budget concept is great, but what gives you confidence to hold the trade? The confidence to hold the trade comes from holding smaller positions over time. Because let's say if you only trade like a one lot, and you want to hold the entire one lot, it's not going to work that way. Because you have to close 90% and then you have to let 10% run. So that's how you get confident in holding trades, over time. What's your advice for people who have 27 years and accomplished anything worthy to be where you are, who have 27 years? 27 years in what? You are 27 years old, or you have 27 years of experience, or... You know what I need? I need some sort of a paneling over here. Right? Some paneling. I need some paneling. Oh, this is a big question over here. I just watched your podcast with Words of Wisdom, and it's insane how they keep on asking the same question to piss you off, promoting BS, telling me they can make 400K up to 2 million even. I'm fed off these questions simply if they have scammed. Don't want to see that. Thank you, man. Thank you, Chris. I really appreciate it. Any advice to traders who go to college, finish college? Is PayPal the only option for smart project concepts, or I can pay through bank transfer? Yes, you can pay through bank transfer, but it's going to be up maybe in about 2 weeks. Smart project concepts, bank transfer, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Are you part of the war room? No, I am the war room. Did you want to left studio on the interview with? Yes. Is crypto the only method to fund your broker account for right now? Yes. For right now, yes. So, yeah. Can sell be executed in GJ? No. I wouldn't want to execute a sell on GJ because there's support right here. I wouldn't. Look at it this way, right? Even if you're looking at pound yen, let me teach you guys about patience, which obviously no one's gonna listen and you're still gonna do whatever you want to do, right? So if you look at pound yen, and let's do some simple analysis. If we break below 181,900, looking to the left hand side, you have a very clean range going all the way down till 180,900, 97 pips away. Even if you pick this area right here, this is 47 pips away. So what are you going to do for a sell? Are you going to look for a sell in this difficult range, or are you going to be a good boy and a good trader and wait for price to break below 181,900 to continue pushing down in that clean range to the left hand side? So that's a decision you got to make. Do we have 1% fee on crypto withdrawal deposits, 1% each side? No, it's just one. I think by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the withdrawal fee should be removed. With all respect, I love an interview, but please, when you do a podcast, do it with people that are the same level as you. Oh. Do you know any successful scalping trader? Right here. You're looking at one right here. You are real inspired. I saw your old video on something oil mining, and I respect you. Thank you. So yeah, gold, we're waiting. We have NY Open coming up in about 10 seconds. So let's see how this goes. We're in a no trade zone. NY Open is coming up in about 4 seconds now. Nothing. Okay, what do we got? An email. I have to message Alexander. Where are you, Alexander? Yeah, I know a lot of people now. I know a lot of people in the industry, and it's absolutely amazing. But gold is still waiting here. We have ADP coming up. The bootcamp will be recorded. Yes, it will be recorded, but not for you. When will Dominion Markets be ready? Ready for what? Dominion Markets is ready. Dominion Markets is ready. Let me show you right here. We are fully licensed to provide Forex services. We have a functioning web terminal. Look at this, 680,000. Functioning web terminal right here. Wow, this web terminal is way more smoother than your regular MT5. This web terminal. Trade ADP today via the web terminal. You got it, boss. I'll trade ADP via the web terminal today. Can I still trade on MT5? I have to change to C Trader? Yes. Yes. Did you earn your first big deposit to your personal account from the prop firms? No, I never went on prop firms. I had my own money. I don't do prop firms. Can you deposit via PayPal? No. Will MagicKey work on the web terminal? No. Web terminal is sick? Yeah, web terminal is sick. It's actually so sick. Look at this. It's like trading view, right? And only brokerages with licenses can have access to web terminal. Like IC Markets. IC Markets has access. I don't think HeroFX has access to web terminal. Like, look, so sick. My iPad that I bought, that has access to web terminal because I didn't want to download the app. So I can just do this. Are you from Lahore? Do I look like someone who's from Lahore, bro? No, Islamabad. Islamabad. Pindi boy. For your information, clicking on the logo when you re-logged, it leads to a broken link. So this leads to a broken link. No, it doesn't. No, Dominion Markets. It doesn't. Oh, from the back office. Okay. B2 broker stuff. Tell us about the NFP for 815. NFP for 815 is, we'll just have to wait and see. How much is your net worth in dollars? $4.20. Top clients in high sea markets, how many millions do you think they have? I don't know and I don't care. You know, the more you try to count someone else's pockets, the more you're going to miss out on the money that you're going to make. So never count what someone else has. Never worry about that. Always worry about how you can change your own self. You know, and to be honest, that's been the secret to every success that you've seen in the world. Thought of opening funded firms? No. What do you do when you have a bad day? Nothing. There's no bad day. If you have a bad day, that's a learning day. You learn from a bad days. You can't have a bad day and think, oh, you know what, I had a bad day, like what am I going to do? No, you can't. You can't have bad days. There are no bad days. There are character building days. Are you, man, these dumbass questions over here. I'm going to gamble my funded account on NFP. Perfect. Smoke some weed? No, I don't do drugs. Your net worth is 15 million? Oh, nice. I had already marked the same zones as you. Perfect. We're just waiting at this point. I have a picture of you framed on my wall next to my dad. Key to success. Have Raja by your side. How is slippage in your platform? Slippage happens in every platform, you know. You can't run away from. Interesting. Interesting. All right. I can't buy now. No, you don't have to buy now. Hey, Roger, just an idea. Can you add a market replay just like market view to the web terminal? It would be so sick. C Trader is going to have that. And no, we cannot add market replay. It has to be something done properly. Anyone who still hasn't received the invite should email their payment ss to bootcamp@marketread.com. Okay. 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 Do you think you're forecasting a lower number? No, I'm not forecasting anything. I'm just going to forecast where price is going to move. So if we look on the higher time frames, the 4-hour time frames, what do we see on the 4-hour? Right? What do we see on the 4-hour? Look at this 4-hour candle. Let's just analyze the 4-hour, and let me explain to you guys what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. So if you look at this 4-hour candle, you can see how the previous 4-hour candle, this wick was 32 pip wick and the body was 9 pip body. So this means this is a rejection candle, and now you have a 4-hour candle which is bigger than the previous one. Of course the wick is bigger, but it still is some sort of a support being formed at this point. So I think the next 4-hour candle can continue pushing up. but if it rejects this area, then we can push down, but I don't know what's going to happen because it's news. All right. So, good morning. Probably a repeat question, but are your goals for Dominion to be one of the top brokers for mostly all countries? Yes. Dominion Markets is going to be one of the biggest brokerages, I think, in the next 5 years. I think 5 years. It's just going to take 5 years. Sooner? Sooner. Have you heard of numerology? Yes. If his goal isn't to be the best, why even start in the first place? Yeah, that's true. Why even start in the first place? But you know, the thing is, there's a broker called IC Markets, and they're so huge. Whoever starts trading, they open an account with IC Markets. But they're so huge, so massive, they have their own liquidity. They can control liquidity, they can control slippage, they can control latency, delays, everything. So then people trade with them for about, I'd say like month, 2 months, and then they move on somewhere else. Do you know about XNES? How about that? Yeah, I know about XNES. Massive spreads. When will bank deposit be available? I don't know. Man, trust me. We would love to take your money. We would love it. But we have to do it the right way, right? So bank deposits, card deposits, I think it's going to be up maybe this month or next month. Like it's very tough to have that done. Yeah. It's very tough. Hi, brother. I love you from Algeria. Great man. Keep going, man. I will be your neighbor soon in Dubai. Inshallah, bro. Come over. I love these live streams. It's like Raja is on trial, but then he makes everyone else money by doing the stream. Oh. Hey, Raj, don't get mad and threaten to walk out of the room. Oh. Yeah. All right. So gotta look for a refrigerator. What was the hardest thing in your case to become profitable? Getting rid of overtrading. Overtrading was one of the toughest things that I had to fix. Will you be doing more member interviews? Yes. Yes, we will be. All right, let's take a look at this over here. So we have 3 minutes left for ADP news to come up. 3 minutes left, and from popular demand, we're going to be doing ADP on the web terminal right here. Right here on the web terminal. Can you explain a bit about gap and are gaps tradable? No, I would say maybe stay away from gaps. So if this was, let's say, you know, if this was, let's say, your regular stuff, buy stop. I want buy stop over here. How do I get buy stop? Buy stop. Buy stop goes above this wick, the 30-minute candle. Let's zoom in over here. Zoom in. Buy stop goes right here. And we want, let's say, a 20 lot, right? 20 lot buy stop. And then we want a sell stop. And the sell stop is going to go sell stop. Will go right here. 20 lot. 20 lot sell stop. Right. All right. So we have buy stop and we have a sell stop on the web trader for Dominion markets. We have 1 minute left right here. All right. Are you trading news right? Oh, sell stop got activated. What's happening over here? Close this, accept, and now sell stop got activated on the web terminal. We are pushing down, negative, plus, positive, negative. Maximum I'm going to risk on this is 2,000. I wasn't even going to trade this, but, you know. Oh, number came good. Damn. Good numbers. Yeah, max I'll risk on this is 2,000. All right. Max risk is so even though I'm in profits, I'm only gonna do like max risk, whatever I'm gonna risk, right? So, see right now it's like, oh, actually the same position is open right over here as well. See this right here? Same as web terminal. Isn't this cool? Isn't this cool? So I'm gonna remove buy stop, and yeah, you know, like. Not too comfortable because we are rejecting this area right here. So I'm not too comfortable with this. You know, I mean, if it goes to like negative 10 pip profit, I'm gonna close everything and then that's it. You know, negative 10 pip profit. Yeah, right there. That's it. Because this rejection is something I wasn't comfortable with. On your Twitter, you said August will be a high volume month. Why? I said that because I'm spreading positivity. And I think if you can be positive, good things are going to happen to you. We need to learn more about your business. We've paused payouts to your bank until we validate your details. What? Provide additional information. Stripe. Interesting. So Stripe has stopped things for us. Yeah, so you just gotta be positive, as I was saying. But you know, like usually I never trade ADP. I just did this just for fun for you guys, you know, for you guys to see stuff like this. So Now if I go to my history, look at the history right here. Lost 2,400 on this sell. So this is the web trader. This is accessible from everywhere. Look at this month of July. All positive. July 3rd. And I didn't even trade that much. How many trades I took? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What was this? Nothing. 8. This is XRP, so we're not going to count this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 trades the whole month of July. That's it. Yeah, the web trader works perfectly fine. I actually enjoyed doing this right here. When you're going to trade on your copy account, I'll trade whenever I want on that. I'll trade. It's my account. No one has any right to answer or question or say anything about it. Can afford doing casino, no point of copy trading if you have your own rules. Yeah, that's true. Thank you for helping me trade better very short term time. Awesome. You don't need a copy trader if you go through a database. Yes, that's true. That is absolutely true. You can be your own copy trader. $413 to $419. Okay, let's make this phone call. I gotta make a phone call to the market now. Yeah, I gotta make this phone call now. Boot camp is going to be a game changer. Absolutely. Boot camp is going to be insane. The content we have prepared is just incredible. But yeah, let's take a look at these are numbers here. So we had good numbers. Okay, still lower than the last month. So even if the numbers were lower than the last month, I don't think they're enough to move price a lot. Like we're just like, at this level here now. This is the comics comment right now. Will you sit around till the end of NY? No, I'm probably going to be here for another 10 minutes and then I'm gone. I have to go do some shopping actually. Oh, let me call some. All right. Oh wow, look at that. Do you go live every day? Yes. No deposit via debit or credit card in markets? No, not at this time. No, not at this time. We just got our license, so it's going to take time to get that up as well. All right. I now have 5,000 in my account. My goal is to have 11,000 by next June. You think that's pretty decent progress? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's better. I think if you stick to discipline, you should get to that point. Maybe you got August, September, October. By October or November, 100%. In ADP, number could be positive for USD, very high, but why old oscillating part from quick fall like NFP? No idea. No clue at all. No clue. Let's see here. GJ already down 1,000 points. It's going up or down. No idea. We're still consolidating. We are still consolidating. All right. Have you traded indices? No. No indices. Will Forex be closed? I didn't understand the concept of a video. It was just a joke. If you watch the whole video, you're going to see that at the end I say it was all a joke. How many minimum deposit in the Dominion markets? 100. Bossman, Mac Attack. Mac Attack is in the house. How many MNTs do you wait for? Oh, minutes. When you trade or offline, you make 50 pip versus online, you aim for 10. What a scammer. Thank you. Sir, you said you'd help me buy a car. What happened? I never said that. What should I do, Raja? 1 year and 3 months ago, I started my trading journey with 3,000. Now I only have 200. Well, time to start working and make some more money. I got the Zoom link for the boot camp, so I just click it at the starting time. Yes. What you bench now? You hitting the gym consistently? Yes, I have been hitting the gym consistently. Look, boom, boom, like this, chest. You gotta hit the gym. Is this a trade you would give a second chance? Nope, because it was news. It was just news, so I wouldn't give this a second chance at all. I would just call it a day at this point because we have NFP, and NFP is going to bring a lot of volume. There's any chance to get access classes after completing a 4-hour boot camp? No, there's no chance. Yeah, exactly. It's prohibited. It's prohibited for being uploaded. How many hours you give to trading in the starting 2 years of your career? 2 to 3 hours per day. That's what I gave. 2 to 3 hours per day. All right, let's see over here. Oh, someone gave me 20 rupees. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. 20 rupees. Assalamu alaikum from Uzbekistan. Thank you. All right, guys. So I'm going to head off. I have to do some stuff. So we're probably going to see you not tomorrow, probably Monday. Probably Monday because we got a lot of stuff to do later on tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, take care. Have fun. NFP stream. There's going to be no NFP stream because we're going to have the boot camp. The first day of the boot camp is going to be on NFP. So there's going to be no NFP stream. We're going to be teaching people how to trade better. So we're going to see you guys on Monday. Take care and safe trading. Safe trading. All right, Gulag. You guys have a good day. Just don't overtrade, man. Look, we're still back in the range now. There's no need to overtrade. Okay, so we'll see you guys Monday. Be safe.